Hey guys, this is the channel for the Minecraft stuff and more. Back with another Steven Fan video. What you see here is a Harbor Breeze Coastal Creek. This fan is located in the living room of my great cousin's house, and yeah, originally there was nothing here, so a hole had to get cut in the ceiling. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna put it on low. Yeah, as you could probably see, the light bowl is, or is it like it maybe didn't get tight enough or something, but whatever. This fan reminds me of Airflow by Casablanca Tiburon or La Paz or something like that. Just by some of the looks of it, like on the motor housing and the blade arms. It does the low speed is kind of fast for some people's liking, but yeah, anyways, go ahead and put it to medium. It's pushing some decent air now. Yeah, the other side of the blades I believe to be a walnut. This side is like a barnwood, or whatever color it is. I think the other side of the blade is darker. I like that side better, so yeah. Oh yeah, and the light kit does kind of shake on medium speed. I don't know why, but it might not be tight. Alright, anyways, we'll put this thing to high. Yeah, this thing does push some pretty good air. I like it in here. It's a good job in here. Alright. And I just wanted to say that there's another one of these in the kitchen above the table, which is right here. This one's currently running on medium. Your speed of Sage Cove right here, then before that I can't remember, but the Sage Cove got moved to a different room, so yeah. Anyways, go ahead and shut this thing off. Alright. Watch it spin down like halfway. Yeah, and I was actually kind of surprised how it had like good airflow like in between the wood beams. Alright. Anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More out.